We'll be right back with this edition of Fairfield Focus when we visit with the Guglielmato sisters about their 4-H fashion and nutrition projects. Connie Smith with OSU Extension, and gosh, welcome to this edition of Fairfield Focus. Today I have the Guglielmato sisters. Did I say that right, girls?
Yes.
Wow, that's a mouthful, okay?
It is.
It's a mouthful. So I have Sophia and Gabby with me today, and we've had Gabby on the show before. As you all know, Gabby is the 2018 Fairfield County Equine Ambassador, so we've talked to her a lot about that, but no cowboy hat today, my friend.
Not today.
Not today, because we're talking nutrition. We're talking your nutrition projects, and with her sister Sophia, we're going to talk about some clothing projects. So, ladies, tell me first, Gabby, help me out with this. How many years in 4-H?
I've been here for 9 years.
Wow. And what clubs are you in 4-H?
I am in the Rough Riders Club, I'm in the Shooting Sports Club, and I was in Thurston Flying Fingers for a little bit.
Wow. So, does that keep you busy, kind of keeping up with all those clubs?
Definitely. I am working on 4-H at least 4 to 6 hours a week.
Yeah. And let's not even mention FFA.
Yes. FFA keeps me busy too.
Yeah. Because you're a member of Bloom Carroll FFA.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
And tell us, let's share this secret with our listeners. You participated in a career development event,
Yes.
and it was a horse career development event. Is that correct?
Correct.
How many participants would be in an event like that, Gabby?
So there are multiple teams, but there were 600 members that actually participated in that event.
And out of those 600 members, it's probably a pretty big deal to get in the top 50, you suppose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look over there at the camera and tell me where you placed, my friend.
I ended up 3rd in that competition.
Wow. And the Bloom Carroll equine team is going where?
We're going to finals. We ended up 6th out of all of the teams, so it's
Yeah.
pretty exciting.
Yeah, and I bet Mrs. Bachman is pretty pumped, huh?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
she's very excited.
She's very excited. Good for you. Well, we had to throw that out there. We just had to let people know. So anyway, that, and you're a senior at Bloom Carroll, is that
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're counting down the days?
A little bit. I'm excited for college.
Yeah. So where are you going?
I'm going to OSU Newark for my first year,
Yeah.
and I'm going for veterinary sciences.
Wow. But you've been doing some things with a college now in school, correct?
It's kind of like a high school event though.
Okay, so tell us about that.
It is
briefly.
a online equine program, and
Okay.
it's for horse sciences. There are 3 different classes,
Yeah.
and it just brings you a whole new look into the equine world and teaches you a lot of things that you really didn't think about with horses.
You love those horses, don't you?
Definitely.
Yeah, absolutely you do. So Sophia, are you as crazy about horses as your sister is?
She's more known for it.
She's more down for it?
Yeah, she's the fast horse.
Does she let you ride?
Yeah, I have my own horse.
Oh, you do? Tell us about your own horse.
My horse's name is Buck. He's 20?
21.
21.
On that.
Yeah.
He's a tall horse, taller than hers,
Yeah.
but he's not quite as fast.
Okay, so what do you do the same contesting events as your sister does?
Yeah, we both go to gymkhanas and we both do contesting.
Wait a minute, I am so confused now. Between Guglielmato and gymkhanas, what in the world is that?
Well, it's at Crazy Woman Ranch.
Yeah.
And they have just a bunch of like fun different little contesting classes that we like to participate in, and
Yeah.
it's really fun.
How often do you guys go?
Once a month.
Oh, just once a month? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so gosh, you guys are busy all the time.
Yeah.
Those horses keep you rocking and rolling, don't they? Well, Sophia, help us out. what 4-H club have you been in?
I am in Rough Riders, shooting sports, and Thurston Flying Fingers.
Okay. And what grade are you in school, dear?
I am a freshman this
You're
year.
a freshman, so you had to kind of trail after the sister.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about Bloom Carroll FFA?
This is my second year in FFA,
Yeah.
and I'm actually going to run for an office this year.
Are you kidding me? Oh gosh, what are you gonna run for?
I'm going to try to run for either treasurer or student advisor.
Oh, yeah. Treasurer, yeah, that's a big job. Money, you have to handle the money, don't you? And student
Yeah.
advisor, really, you just have to keep control of the meetings. That's a pretty big job too.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So let's switch gears. Let's talk just a little bit about this, this fashion and nutrition board. You girls are both members of the fashion nutrition board. So tell me some of the things, Sophia, you do on fashion nutrition board.
Well, for Passion and Nutrition Board, we help lead the fashion show for the sewing club in the
Okay.
summer. We help like spread facts about nutrition to like kids, like help promote 4-H.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
So you've been doing this 2 or 3 years, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And this is your first year, Gabby, on
Yeah.
fashion nutrition board. But you have told me that you've taken a wealth of these nutrition projects, correct?
Yes, a lot.
A lot. Have you done Grill Master?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Oh, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of
And
fun.
I'm more interested in this pie baking project.
All right. Yes.
So
Pies
tell
was
us
a lot of
about
fun.
that.
All right. I've taken pies for 2 years.
Yeah.
The first year I did it, I made a wild cherry pie. We actually went outside and we picked a bunch of wild cherries and we made
Yeah.
a pie out of it. Did that for both years. It was great. I ended up with honorable mention, and then the next year I got up to grand champion. So
Wow.
it was neat.
So hey, what's the secret to a good pie crust?
It's really just you can't overwork it. You really
Okay.
can't. Once you have already mixed it up, you gotta roll it out once, work it once. If it's any past that, it's like it's no good.
It just kind of falls apart?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. A lard pie crust, you use lard?
Yes.
Yeah, always lard, absolutely. So you're gonna help with a little bit of the nutrition projects
Yes.
for this sewing and food project workshop. And it is April the 13th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. here at the Fairfield County Ag Center. And it's for all youth who are new to food and sewing projects. Everyone is welcome to attend. They're talking about some of these nutrition projects, like you showed me, you've taken Global Gourmet. Have you taken
Yes.
that one?
Yes. I just went to States for that last year.
Oh my gosh. So what recipe did you prepare for in this project book, Gabby?
I prepared recipes from all different countries, but I gotta say my favorite were the beef rolls from Germany.
Really? So how long, when you commit to a project like Global Gourmet, how much time do you devote to working on recipes for that project?
Well, every weekend we would knock out a recipe, because in this book you have to make an entire meal. It's not just one
Really?
recipe. Yes, you make an entire meal from different countries. And so we would just take a day every weekend and we would just make an entire meal and we work from there.
Wow. So you guys, your whole house has to be really into 4-H.
Yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
Your whole house is really into it. So then we're gonna talk a little bit about clothing and quilting. And Sophia, let's talk a little bit with you about this accessories for teens project. You told me before we started, this was one of your favorite projects. Yeah, and
Yes.
why? Tell me why.
Well, last year I took this project and I made a purse out of pig suede.
Wow. Did you, what made you think about that type of a project versus something you could wear?
Well, I thought I've taken a lot of the clothing projects and I wanted to try something a little different.
Yeah.
And I thought of accessories. I'm like, hey, I wear a lot of cowboy boots and I can make a purse that matches a lot of my Western outfits.
Wow. So, I heard you did very well with that.
Yes, I ended up going to State Fair.
Was that exciting?
It was a little different. I've never been to State Fair for clothing before.
Were you shocked at the level of competition there?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty intense, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna be a part of the Food and Sewing Project Workshop. Help me out with the dates here again, girls. When is it?
It is April 13th,
Okay.
9 to 11 a.m.
Okay.
for this workshop here.
And Food and Sewing Project Workshop here at the Fairfield County Ag Center. The Guglielmato sisters, Sophia and Gabby, will be here talking to you, and obviously you've had some success in those projects. So you can kind of share some of your secrets. Yeah, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay, tell me this, Gabby. I think I probably already know the answer. If you had to pick one 4-H project, what's your favorite 4-H project ever?
Well, that would be, I mean, that's kind of an easy one.
Yeah.
Horses. Definitely horses.
Absolutely. Yeah, I kind of had a sneaking suspicion. Okay, Sophia, if you had to pick one project, what would be your most favorite 4-H project?
That's tricky. I love the sewing projects because it's really fun to, you get to wear what you create,
Yeah.
but then the nutrition projects, you get to eat what you make.
Yeah, but the sewing, is that frustrating a little bit?
There can be some times where it gets a little frustrating,
Yeah.
but
Trying to match all that and make all that work. So this workshop, again, April 13th, 9 to 11, here at the Fairfield County Ag Center. For everyone who is new to food or sewing projects, you're welcome to attend. Gabby and Sophia will both be here, and I've really been pleased to have them as my special guests on the 88.9 WLRY farm page, as well as a part of our OSU Extension Fairfield Focus.